So, one of the beautiful things about trading is now I'm gonna go ahead and wear it like I had it, even though I wasn't ready for the camera. Keeping it real. Keeping it real. No, I'm just playing. So NZDCAD. Um, I got out, lost point 0.5 on this one. Um, I had to get out because it didn't move the way I wanted it to from entry till almost getting stomped out here to coming back to break even ish. It's just floated below the 50 EMA on the 1 hour. So I got out. So I want to make a video about that. But then to cheer us all up, I wanted to also show that I've got a couple of winners that are running still that might close out and get us some big wins. This one's going to be kind of like this is a lotto ticket. Just want to let that ride. Um, I'll probably eventually bring this up to break even. But yeah, let that ride. This one's running still, and actually, I took profit here. I forgot to make a video about that actually. So 1.5 there. We're making a video right now. This is the video where we're making 5%. Cool. In there like swimwear. And then I think that's it. That's the only other ones I got. So 1, 2, these two trades. 3, that's the third one. That was a loss. 4 is running. 5 is running. And then 6, I just took profit on. So that's what we got. I'm going to title this EURCAD because that's what people want to see. They care about 1.5 here. And this was an automated entry and profit point. I thought about moving the profit higher, to be honest. I did contemplate go ahead and pressing to the 50% fib level. That would have put me at 2% on this trade, which I do think it's probably going to go up there. But I don't need to be greedy. There's no reason to be greedy. There's no reason to flex that muscle. It's just, pitch and catch, take the trade. I'm in the trade. I won. Step away, right? And I probably will not be able to get it directly at point. Oh, got it. Cool. All right. That's what I got. All right. Peace.